Welcome to Roland Heights. It's the final opportunity. Beautiful townhome neighborhood with Lennar. We have a handful of these homes left. They are 3-bed, 2-bath, 2-car garage, 1,800-ish square feet, all brand new, everything's included. Come check out the last chance at Roland Heights with Lennar. Perfect for investors, perfect for homeowners. Come take a look. Welcome to one of the last opportunities in Roland Heights. As you can see, it's a wide open floor plan and a great design and meticulous use of space. Large family room, plenty of width, pantry, long island. Again, there's a handful of these, all identical. So if you're interested in these, there's gonna only be a few more opportunities. An investor might come and scoop them all up. No deferred maintenance. The lawn's taken care of. The snow removal's taken care of. The HOA, $60, takes care of everything. Big granite island, all stainless steel appliances, white cabinets, black hardware, opportunities for decks over your 2-car garage. Let's check out the finished lower level, and then I'll show you upstairs to the 3 nice bedrooms. Obviously, everything's brand new, but I can't stress the importance enough of an oversized 2-car garage. 3-bed, 2-bath, everything's included, everything's top of the line from one of the nation's top builders. So if you're an investor, a buyer, or if you're an agent and you have a buyer for these communities, they're paying a very fair commission and it's super easy to sell. Schedule an appointment with Lennar, we'll get you in touch.